Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use the BitChat app. Let's get started. When you open the app, you'll land on the home screen, which should look similar to what you see here. Next, select Allow Only while using the app, and then enable Bluetooth. The app will ask for Bluetooth access. Just tap Allow. Once that setup is complete, your app will be ready to use. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find a chat box where you can type messages. For example, Hi. Your messages will appear in the chat area. When other people nearby are connected, you'll be able to chat with them instantly. In the top right corner, you'll see a red people icon. Tapping on it will show you all the users currently connected to BitChat within your range. Keep in mind that to chat with others, they must also have the BitChat app installed on their device and be within Bluetooth range for the connection to work properly. Once everything's set up, you can start chatting easily with others around you on BitChat. And that's it. That's how you use the BitChat app. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips.